Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to add photo to a contact on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open the phone app and here go to this tab which is named Contacts. As a next step, you would need to choose a contact that you would like to add photo to. For example, I will pick this one and then click on this eye icon. As a next step, we would need to click on this button Edit and then click on Empty Avatar of the contact. And here, as you can see, we got some options of these people, or we can choose from camera, gallery, or add AR emoji. I will click on gallery and choose some photo that I got here. So for example, let's add this pink one. Then you would need to center the avatar for the contact and click done. Then click save, and this is it. Now your contact has their own photo profile. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.